Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover WTI, so we have a spot crude oil market, and I see potential for the reversion to the mean since we have a downside movement in the last 5 to 6 days. But we have some short-term consolidation and potential bottoming here. So I think there is a good risk to reward potential in this one. I will go for the reasons behind this bullish trade idea, and let's start. This is a 4-hour time frame, and we can see that market did trade lower, broke the lower Bollinger Band, had a gap down last week. We didn't even retest that gap down. I think the play for this week is, at least for the market, to retest that gap and have a relative tight stop, try to make a decent reward, and then even if we have much higher prices, maybe back to 88.40 or 92 market, and we have a much bigger reward. But the idea is just to go towards the gap, maybe try to fill the gap, or maybe slightly higher. And based on RSI, we can see that market actually opened higher and faded back down. But since like RSI is holding, we have some positive reversal, like bullish divergence based on the momentum. As market attempted to go to make a new low, but you can see that market is refusing to do that, and RSI is holding well. So I will say there is a chance for that rotation upside. Okay. So I'll take a long position tool at the moment. WTI trading is 76.85 at the moment while I'm doing this analysis. And we have a relative tight stop. We don't need to have like 74.45. And we can see a nice 3.5 times bigger reward versus initial risk. So I think just to fill the gap and have a protective stop around the lows doesn't, because if we go towards the 74.40 or 74.35, very high odds we'll take this low. So we want to also give some room as well for some, back and forth. And yeah, I think this is a great thing, 3.5, just for market to test 84.40, like the middle of this gap. And if the market will have power even higher, like 88.30, this will be almost 5 times. This is pretty good. So playing for free, 3.5 to 5 times bigger reward versus initial risk. Yes, this is a potential bottoming kind of play, like short-term reversion to the mean. But we have all longer-term trends up, and we have we lost momentum there. 5 minutes also turning to the upside as well. So we have some decent clues potential that this might be the bottoming. Okay, it's a great time to start with the prop firm challenges. There is a lots of things going on, and especially this deal between the US and Iran, and obviously the WTI will be very, very affected by this, and lots of volatilities. It's a great time to start with the prop firm challenges, and you have the link in the description of the video to check more about our FXCentrum prop firm challenges. And you can use this promo code to have a 20% off for any prop firm challenge. Also, we're doing tremendous work in terms of those ideas, and plenty of the very big winners, reward versus risk, in the last couple of weeks or so, and since we started FXCentrum TV. So leave your comments below, subscribe on our YouTube channel for more ideas, and hope that you will make and that this will help you. At the end, this is all we're doing for you. It will be all from my perspective and FXCentrum team. Have a good rest of the day, and speak to you soon.